Hey fam, I'm Naveen and you're watching Update Savvy. So Microsoft is getting ready for their next major version release of the Windows 10, and Windows Insider called it as a 20H1 or a Windows 10 version 2004. It will be coming to your device through the regular Windows update in the next coming week. Okay, so now we're going to look into some of the new features that will be coming to your PCs in the next week. First feature will be the renaming of the virtual desktops. So you go to the task view, you click here, and you can just add the new desktop and you can rename it. Like if I write the home, and then in the second desktop I can write the work, and in the third desktop, if I add desktop, I can write Update Savvy, and then you can select according to the desktop what you want to use. Now the second update is a Cortana. Cortana is now appear as a separate app. So when you click on the Cortana, it will be appear as a separate window. Also in the setting page, now you can see there's an update that there's no separate settings for the Cortana. So you can see here in the setting page, there's no settings for the Cortana. The next update is when you click on the search button, you can see the quick searches are available, which is a weather, top news, or today in the history. And one very beautiful update is that the reverse search of the image. So when you click on the search with a screenshot, so you'll get this option. You can just, this image, select this image, and it will be automatically search on the internet and show you the related result of it. So when you go here, and it will be show you accordingly. So you can see here all the results coming. You can see here. So next update is a better algorithm in a search. Finally, if you write something, if you misspell something like a calculator, CLAC, whatever, so then you can see the calculator comes. And you see there's an update of also the icon. It is now quite beautiful, and you can just make it a small version of the calculator. So you can see it here. And the one thing I can tell you is when you open the windows, it will be always on the top of the other windows. So if you open like multiple windows, so calculator will be always on the top of these windows. So you can just drag it here and just all those down. In the next update, press the Windows plus dot or period. You can see the emojis. These emojis are already available in the previous version, but now there is one more Kamoji. Okay, I think I'm saying it correct. Okay, Kamoji. So Kamoji, you can use it here just to see how it works. So you can go to the home, you can write it here, press the Windows and stop. So you can go in the Kamoji, you can select Kamoji here, and just leave it like this. So you can see, you can rename it like home, you can see the Kamojis here. Finally, it is very easy to configure your receive notification. So now I'm going to show you one beautiful way. I'm going to connect my iPhone here. Okay, you can see here Apple iPhone is connected. So then you can go to the settings, you can change here, go and turn off all the notification for autoplay and go to the notification settings. So this is now you can very easily turn off, turn on the notification. Apart from this, there are several authority on enhancing the securities of Windows 10. For more detail, please visit website Microsoft.com. And if you got any query regarding the update, you can comment below and I'll make sure to reply to you. If you find this video useful, make sure you like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.